how to create stickers in Viber. Let's get started with the video. To begin with, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, click on the three horizontal dots at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the sticker market located at the top of the screen. Once you are in the sticker market, look at the top right corner and click on the pencil icon. From here, hit the plus icon to start creating your new sticker. Now choose how you want to create your sticker. Select camera to take a new photo. Choose gallery to upload an image, or tap doodle to draw your own sticker. Then use the tools provided to edit your sticker. Lastly, once you're happy with the design, hit save sticker. And your creation will be added to your sticker pack. By following this step, you now know how to create stickers in Viber.